What's up, Gear Too Technical? Back again with another video. Today I have a product from a company called Aputure. This is the MT Pro mini color tube light. They did not send me out this. One of my tech buddies sent me this over because they had no need for it, and they were like, let me send it over to Gear Too Technical. So I want to say thank you. But pretty much this is what the product looks like. So basically it is just a mini color tube light, you know, to add a little flavor to your desktop or so on and so on. So you get the light, and I think it has a tripod and then the cable, and then you would have to go download the Sawdust link, which is an app right here to let you interact with the light. So pretty much we're just going to unbox this and see what it's all about. We can cut if I'm correct. Here is the lovely, whoa, this thing looks very nice. It feels heavy, heavier than I thought it would. So you can tell this thing probably really is a good light because it feels heavy. It has a little screen. Has a screen on there so you can see what's going on. Like I said, you do get a tripod, a little tripod, a mini tripod, and that's crazy because I have so many of these things, but I guess you can never have too many tripods. And then you get your USB-C, your USB-C to USB cable to charge it, I believe. So now let's try to get this bad boy set up. So you can connect this to a tripod if you want to and just set it up somewhere, or you can just probably stand it up somewhere like this, and that's what I'll probably do. But this is a good product because I was actually looking for a little light for my setup anyway, and boom, once you cut it on, this is what it looks like. That is very bright, so as you see here, you get your information at the top there. Shows you how much battery it has and other information. And yes, it has Bluetooth because you can connect this to the app. This is the menu, so it has RG, so you can go down to your RGBs. It has RGBs on it. So that is very cool, very cool, very cool, very cool. I've never had a light this light strip or whatever you want to call it. This is pretty nice, pretty cool. This is what the whole product looks like. It has a lot of weight to it, as you can see here. This is the whole light here. On this end, it has access to connect your tripod because it did come with this tripod here, as you can see. Then when you turn it over to the back, you get a screen with menu information and things you can do with the product. You get your menu, your back button, your OK button, so you can scroll through here and change things up. This device is Bluetooth, has Bluetooth capability. I believe these are magnets, and pretty much this is what this product looks like. And on this side you do get access to your power button, so this is how you cut the device on and off. And you also get access to your USB Type-C charging port to charge it up. So pretty much I just want to show you some things you can do with this product. And once you have this product, you will need to go to the App Store. I believe you can download this on Android and iOS. As you can see, I currently have it on my iPhone. It is called Sawdust link. So once you download that and get everything connected and set up, you can come in here and change your colors and the brightness of your actual light. As you can see there, look at that. This does get pretty bright. You can change the colors. You can change the INT. You can change the hue of it. So it can be, if I want yellow green, it can be green. You can change the SAT. as you can see here. Then you can go to RGB. You can mess around with those colors if you want to. Very, very nice. Then it has YX. Then it has a picker, color picker. I'm sure you can pick what color you want. Pick what color you want. Then it has a system. Then it has manual. As you can see, everything in manual. Then it has picker FX. Then it has music FX, because this is Bluetooth capability. So I'm probably sure that this light, the music will move to the light. The lights will move to the music. But this is a very cool, neat product to have in your house or so on. If you're a tech YouTuber, you know, and you want to set that mood right for your videos, this here is a nice product to have. And I've actually been looking for something like this, and I'm glad that, you know, I have this with me at the moment. But this app here has a whole bunch of things you can do in the app. As you can see here, you can change a whole bunch of stuff. You can play around with it. It has just a lot of things that you can do to get some pretty colors going on your LED light here. As you can see, I'm moving it, and it has all different kind of things. Let me turn it down some so you can see. But yeah, it has all these different kind of animations you can have. So it has warm white, then it has natural white, Exxon short, moonlight, horizontal, day white, overcast sky, blue sky, you know, all these different kind of things that you can play around with, mess with, change the color of things, you know. You can go to this deep purple looking, light purple, that really does look very, very nice and appealing. Then you have your effects. That you can just play around with. So I'm gonna spend a couple of days messing around with this and try to come back with a better in-depth video about this product and what all it can do. But pretty much just rate, comment, and subscribe. Let me cut this off to this YouTube tech channel, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.